Sir, we welcome you, sir, on behalf of our school management of Green Valley E-Techno Schools, Metric and CBSE, teaching staff, non-teaching staff and students, we all welcome you, sir, today for our Sci-Pi 2023 Science Expo and Maths Expo. Thank you, students. Sir, Department of Biotechnology, Islamiah College, Autonomous Volume Body. Sir has done many research papers, effect of phospholone on hematological indices in the tilapia, Oreochromis mozambicus, as well as many number of papers sir has done for research, distribution of alien and cryptogenic acidians along the southern coast, and many more research papers have been done by sir. So we have an eminent personality here for our Sci-Fi Expo 2023. We warmly welcome you, sir. Now, let us honor, sir, on behalf of our school management.
Correspondent of this great school, the principal, the teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and my dear vibrant students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Yeah, really I feel very happy to be here with you as a chief guest to inaugurate this Science Expo. Really I am very happy to see you all, the small kids who are very interested, and they have done so many expos, I think so. Actually, Science Expo, 1 month back, the training was given to all the school teachers in the Vaniambad itself by the state organization, and we have trained so many school teachers in and around Vaniambadi and in Tirupati district also, how to make the students aware of this Science Expo and how to do small scientific experiments or small projects at the various grades, 6th grade, 8th grade, 10th grade, and even the plus 2 grade students. I don't know whether the representative from your school attended that program or not. I don't know, but it happened. Today, the small children, so you maybe heard that the growth and the development, the progress of India is determined within the 4 walls of the school itself. So it is determined within the 4 walls of the school, not even in the higher education institutions. The growth and progress of the India determined within the 4 walls of the schools. So you are the futures of India, and really I hope you will definitely involve and associate yourself for the growth and development of the India, particularly in the field of academic and research, because in the small standards you have come forward to attend, to participate, to involve yourselves in the Science Expo. It is really very appreciable one. I take this opportunity to thank the management of the school and the teaching staff and others for having effort to make you involved in the Scientific Expo. So with these few words, I congratulate you all and I wish you all for your all the future success, and thank you the organizers for having given me the opportunity to stand before you. Thank you, one and all. Assalamu alaikum.
Our colors celebration, which was started last week of August. We started in last week of August, specially for KGs, LKG and UKG. Until last week, we celebrated all the colors, right? We started from red, blue, green, yellow, orange, everything, and we ended with the white color celebrations. Right from KG, LKG A section, LKG B section, as well as SKG A and SKG B. Can we give a big round of applause for KG's teachers and students for their hard work, and the closing ceremony is happening now for color celebrations of KGs.